Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a heatless curly hairstyle. I did wash my hair and I flat ironed it, and I'm going to be using these little pink spoolie hair curlers right here that I did receive from Temu. I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description box as well as coupon codes, but I have never used these before. I actually always use flexi rods, so I'm actually really curious to use these on my hair to see if they're easier to sleep in, to see if they're more convenient and everything, and also to see how my curls come out. Now, I don't want a whole lot of curls. I just want like a loose kind of curl, kind of like when I do my flexi rods. So I'm going to be using this mousse right here to set my hair when I put the rollers on there, but I'm actually just going to put a minimal amount of these rollers in just to see how the result comes out in the morning. So I'm basically just gonna let you guys watch what I do, and then I'll chime in towards the end. Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much how my hair turned out the next day. I thought it did really good. I just didn't like how that one side turned out, but it's probably because of the direction I rolled it in, or maybe the way that I rolled it. So I did just end up getting like a little bobby pin and pinning it down like for an hour, and then once I let it go, it kind of stayed back into that position. But other than that, I think the rollers did pretty okay. They were easy to sleep in. The silicone, the only thing I don't like about the silicone is that it can have a tendency to snag your hair if you're not really careful with it. But other than that, I would be interested in to try this again, maybe doing smaller sections. But I think this is okay for today. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment box. Make sure to check out the coupon code if you're interested in anything on Temu's website. And if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.